Hola alumnos, este es el módulo para español 1010, módulo 3 para la Universidad de East Tennessee. Hoy vamos a empezar con las vocales, the vowels. En español hay dos tipos de vocales, las vocales fuertes y las vocales débiles. Las vocales fuertes son la A, la E y la O. Las vocales débiles son la I y la U. Pero cuando las vocales débiles I y U presentan un acento, son también fuertes. Los diptongos e hiatos. When a Spanish word has two vowels side by side, it's called diptongo or hiato. To pronounce the Spanish correctly, you need to understand strong and weak vowels and how they affect pronunciation. Various pronunciation issues come into play, which are the syllable division, the diptongos, and the hiatus. What is that hiato? Two vowels pronounced as two distinct syllables. We're going to see examples. Diptongos, two vowels pronounced as a single syllable. When this happens, the unstressed weak vowel has a special sound. The letter I sounds like a Y, like in yet, and U sounds like W, as in will. Now here, the letter U is very important. When U's purpose is in a word is to make a consonant hard rather than weak or soft, as in portugués and in guisante, it does not count as a vowel and does not, above rules, do not apply. Diptongos e hiatos. Let's see. When we have two strong vowels, pronounced as an hiato with normal rules of stress. Empleado, estéreo, europeo, impermeable. Now, a strong vowel plus a weak vowel is a diptongo. Abierto, australiano, baile, estudioso, fuerte, ingenio. Now, two weak vowels. Pronounce as a diptongo with emphasis on the second vowel. Suizo, cuidado. Now, there are some exceptions. When the pronunciation of a word does not follow these rules, an acute accent is placed on the stressed vowel. So we know that that is the one that has a stronger sound. Asiático, frío, jardinería, miércoles, natación. What are those accents? Accents are extremely important in Spanish. Leaving off the accent on words is a spelling mistake and may cause confusion. The Spanish acute accent, or tilde, looks like these. And it only goes above vowels. ¿Qué son los acentos? ¿Y dónde están posicionados? Veamos. Cuando el estrés en una palabra, el sonido más fuerte, está en la última sílaba, en la penúltima sílaba, en la antepenúltima sílaba y en la anterior a la antepenúltima sílaba, tienen diferentes nombres. Las palabras agudas son when the stress is on the last syllable. Las palabras agudas tienen el estrés en la última sílaba. Words that are agudas get the tilde when they end in an N, S, or a vowel. Ejemplos. Despertó, caimán, camarón, salí, Jesús. Palabras graves. When the stress is on the second from the last syllable, second from the last, son las palabras graves, cuando tienen el estrés en la segunda sílaba. Words that are graves get the tilde when they end in a letter different than N, S, or vowel. Ejemplos. Cárcel, it ends in a different from N, S, or vowel. Lápiz, it ends in a Z. Álbum, it ends in an M. Cóndor, it ends in an R. Now, las palabras esdrújulas y las sobreesdrújulas. When the stress is on the third from the last syllable, esdrújulas or beyond. When do they get a tilde? If the stress is on the third from the last or beyond, they always get a tilde. Espíritu, príncipe, dígamelo, cómetelo. Let's see, let's review again. Última sílaba, those are the words that are agudas. Se tildan, they use the tilde when they end in N, S, or vowel. So when the stress is on the last syllable and they end on these conditions, they get a tilde. Penúltima sílaba, or second from the last, those are graves. When do they get a tilde? When they end in something different from N, S, or vowel. So they need two things. To be stressed on the second from the last syllable, and do not end on N, S, or vowel. Now, esdrújulas, they have the stress on the third syllable, and they always have a tilde, and the same thing happens with the previous ones. B versus V. What are they called? B larga, long V, or B labial, because you use your lips, V. V corta, because it's a short V, y B ventilabial, because you use some wind with your lips, V. We're going to practice this sound in the classroom. Thank you.